Ever heard of words like sewer line repair and immediately imagine your yard getting completely torn up? For a lot of homeowners, that's the biggest fear. You picture excavators, days of digging, and huge mess outside fixing pipes underground. But today, that's not always the way it works. Hi, I'm Curtis from Mr. Rooter Plumbing, and today I'll be walking you through trenchless sewer repairs, what it is, how it works, and most importantly, what you'll actually see happening during the job. Traditionally, fixing a damaged sewer pipe means digging a long trench across your property to reach the pipe underground. That can mean cutting through lawns, driveways, landscaping, and sometimes even parts of the sidewalk. Trenchless sewer repair is different. Instead of digging up the entire pipe, we can repair it or replace it from the inside, using specialized equipment and small access points. The goal is simple: fix the problem while minimizing the damage to your property. So how does trenchless sewer repair actually work? While every situation is a little different, most sewer trenchless repairs follow a few key steps that plumbers use to diagnose the problem and repair the pipe from the inside. The process usually starts with a sewer camera inspection. A plumber sends down a small waterproof camera through the sewer line to see exactly what's happening inside the pipe. This allows them to identify issues like cracks, tree root infiltration, pipe misalignment, or heavy buildup and pinpoint the exact problem without digging. Once the issue is identified, the next step is cleaning the sewer line. Plumbers typically use specialized tools such as high-pressure water jetting to clear out debris, grease, scale, or tree roots that may be inside the pipe. Cleaning the pipe first is important because it prepares the surface for the repair process. If the pipe is still structurally sound, the next step is usually pipe relining. In this method, a flexible liner coated with a special resin is inserted into the damaged pipe. The liner is positioned inside the existing pipe and then inflated so it presses tightly against the existing walls. As the resin cures, it hardens and forms a durable new pipe within the old one. From a homeowner's perspective, what you'll usually see during this process is fairly minimal. There'll be small access points created, specialty equipment set up near sewer cleanouts, and technicians monitoring the process, but you won't see long trenches running across your yard. In cases where the pipe is too damaged to be relined, plumbers may use another trenchless option called pipe bursting. This technique replaces the pipe entirely by pulling the new one through the old one, while a specialized tool breaks apart the damaged pipe outwards into the surrounding soils. With a common sewer repair, the job can involve large trenches, heavy equipment, and significant restoration afterwards. With trenchless methods, the repair is usually faster, less invasive, and often requires far less cleanup once the work is done. And that's one of the main reasons why trenchless repairs are becoming the more popular with modern plumbing companies. Of course, it's important to understand that not every sewer problem qualifies for a trenchless repair. If pipes have completely collapsed or a certain condition exists underground, traditional excavation may be necessary. But when trenchless solutions are possible, they can provide durable repairs while avoiding disruption that many of you worry about. Sewer problems can feel overwhelming, especially because the pipe is buried underground and the repair process isn't visible. That's why the first step is always understanding exactly what's happening inside the sewer line before deciding on any repair. At Mr. Rooter Plumbing of Ottawa, our plumbers begin with a detailed camera inspection to diagnose the issue and evaluate the condition of the pipe. Once we know exactly what we're dealing with, we walk you through the situation and explain the repair solutions available. If trenchless repair is a suitable solution, our team uses specialized equipment to repair or replace the pipe while minimizing disruption to the property. Our goal is simple: identify the issue accurately, recommend the right repair, and complete the work in a way that causes as little disruption to your home as possible. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more practical plumbing tips. We'll see you on the next video.